Nowadays, in modern Irish, there's a bit of debate around how this should sound. Is it the same as a C? Should it be more of a K sound? Should I be using my throat more or less? Listen, it's definitely not the most important thing in the language, but it's always nice to sound a bit more natural and fluent. Here are a few tips and a few things that I use to get the CH sounding nice and natural. If I think of a C on its own, I'll make that sound in Irish the same way I would make it in English. Take this word, for example, I would say cara, cara. So I'm making that C sound with my voice box. Cara, cara. But if I have, let's say, my friends, the M is going to force a H, so we're going to have a CH combination. What I'll try and do is make the exact same sound, but instead of making it with my voice box, I'll try and make it with my throat. So instead of ma cara, it's going to be ma chara, chara. So notice there, I'm not using the K in the voice box. Instead, I'm using my throat to say ch, ma chara. So if you can get used to using that sound all the time, it's going to be a lot easier to get that CH sounding correct. Equally, the GH follows pretty much the same rule. If I say garden, I'm going to say gorgine. So again, g, it's coming from my voice box. But if I say my garden, I'm going to say ma gorgine. So I'm still trying to make the exact same noise, just my throat instead of my voice box. That's going to take some of the edge and sharpness off it, therefore leniting it, giving you what you want for your CH and GH sound. If you enjoyed this, only about 5 or 10% of all the videos and content we make at Learn Irish Online goes out for free on TikTok, YouTube and Instagram. You can access to way more as a member over at patreon.com/Learn Irish Online or Learn Irish Online on the Patreon app. Sign up for a free trial today.